Hello, how's everyone doing? Today I bring to you a very nice salad with baby spinach, lentils, quinoa, avocado, everything that's good in this world. It's very simple to put together. It's protein and fiber packed with quinoa and the lentils. Only thing I've forgotten in the video is to add the mustard, which I added later, so do add that. And you will make this again and again. It's really filling. This was my main meal. Do try it, do like, do subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, thank you guys.